Alright, so now we have learnt about potential and we have learnt about current, right? Two major things. Potential is V, current is I. So we have got V and I. Is that a song? No, that's you and I. Okay. So we've got V, we've got I. So if this is a battery, this is V, the potential difference between them. And if you connect a conductor around it like this, right, the current will flow, and that is I. So obviously intuitively it feels like that if there is more V, if there's more potential difference, more current will flow because there will be more charges that will flow, right? But here's a problem. So this charge that comes out from here has some energy, right? Because it is at a higher potential. So this has more energy than this, and then when it comes here, यहाँ पे तो कम energy है, right? This has lesser energy. So what will happen? Because this has more energy, this has less energy. So there has to be a component where this energy can be dissipated. This energy can be given out, so that when it comes here, it is at the same energy level as this particular potential. So when you've got V, when you've got I, there's another component in this whole circuit which is called R, which is called a resistance, which is given by a device called resistor. The device is called resistor and its property is called resistance. What it does is that it provides resistance to the flow of current. How? Because there are electrons flowing. Actually, electrons will not flow from here. Let's say charged particles, positively charged particles are flowing from here, and it hits the resistor and it provides resistance. So what happens is that the kinetic energy of those electrons, because it has a lot of energy, right, that gets dissipated through the resistor, and then it comes to this energy level and it comes inside. Then because of a chemical reaction inside the battery, it again gets energy and it comes to this. So a lot of students ask this question, that if this is at a lower potential, this is at a higher potential, what happens to the charged particles which would go from here to here? So there's chemical reaction going on inside, which you'll learn about in grade 12 chemistry. But there's a chemical reaction which makes sure that there's this potential difference which is maintained inside the battery. And again when it comes here, again you through the conducting wire it comes out, then again that energy is dissipated through the resistor and it comes back here. Then what happens? Chemical reaction. Again higher energy comes out, dissipates the energy through the resistor, comes back in. So that's called a complete circuit. Clear? So now that you know the basics of the circuit, in the next flip we are going to quantify what all happens inside a circuit.